Once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss a new topic. But yes, the series is saying how to make money. So already saving, already have discussed how to save, how to even invest. A lot of tools also already have discussed. So here again, we are going to discuss another even very surprising even investment, and that also most of the people. I don't know how many of you know about it, how many have invested about it, but yes, again, it is on your real estate. So it is not like normal real estate. So normal real estate already have discussed, but this is something, let's say, a commercial real estate. Most of the people even they will be also even, let's say, they will be ready to stay away from this commercial, let's say, real estate property, because they will be always thinking, first of all, real estate itself, it is good or bad, whether I need to invest or not. These are all the equations you can do by yourself. You can take in all the guidance from your even financial consultant, even your real estate consultant. But here what we are going to discuss, that is very very important. If you save your certain amount of money, and if you're going to invest over there in this scheme, again we are going to discuss even about a scheme, about stocks, about the market. So there are a lot of stocks. Even you can do virtually, even you can do physically. Both way you can do this. So about virtually, I'll talk first. Then I'll talk about this, even for the scheme, even physically. So if I look out, let's say if I'm holding, let's say XYZ stock, and let's say again the same part, yes, whatever I'm earning, even maybe I'm a businessman, maybe I'm a service person, whatever my savings, small saving, and that small savings, if I'm going to put in this kind of stock, maybe 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, as I always tell, it is all depends on your even budget. It is all depends how you are going to even maintain even your own affordability. Based on that one, you can do the investment. There is no particular amount. But yes, if you start, let's say, with minimum or maybe a maximum, or let's say a medium, whatever amount you feed, you are going to get the benefit. Maybe on a low side, maybe on a medium side, maybe on a higher side, based on your investment. But yes, definitely you are going to get even the benefit, whatever stocks, whatever even the benefit you are holding for this particular even scheme itself. So very simple. So I'm going to buy this stock, XYZ stock, as I told you. So that you have to do research by yourself, because I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service. But yes, about this scheme, about this benefit, that I can discuss. But yes, remaining things that you have to do by yourself. So let's see if I'm going to invest over here on this stock. So what I'm going to get? Yes, I'm going to hold even certain kind of units. Now what is going to happen? Now that even, let's say, that stock is going to be benefited, whatever I'm going to be benefited. Let's say I'm just giving an example. Let's say if I'm sitting in India, or let's say I want to invest, let's say a commercial building, let's say holding, let's say in Dubai, let's say in America, let's say in, let's say, any kind of European countries. I meant to say, like, if I'm not staying, even though India also I can talk, even let's say if I'm sitting in, let's say, Delhi, if I'm going to invest in, let's say, Mumbai. So all these things even you can also discuss. You can also discuss with your financial consultant what scheme, what exactly all about this stocks and all. So you no need to go physically over there. You no need to even purchase, but you can hold this stock even virtually, and based on that one, whatever the profit even they are going to make on this, let's say, commercial, building, commercial, even real estate part, that amount, the percentage, based on again your holding part, whatever the percentage you are holding, so that profit it will be shared to you, and again that will be credited to your account, because you have a demat account. Whatever even trading, whatever even stocks you are going to buy, that is not physically, you are doing everything through your demat account. So same demat account, same your account, it will be credited. So if I'm, let's say, getting 10,000 rupees profit, that 10,000 rupees, it is coming each and every month to my bank balance, to my account itself. And this will be always even paid on a monthly basis, or maybe quarterly basis, maybe on a half yearly basis, or maybe on a yearly basis, how you want to choose. Based on that one, you can choose also. Coming back to another topic, that is all your physical. So physical, again, if you are able to go over there, and let's say you are not going to purchase, let's say enter the mall, right? I'm just giving an example. Let's say in abroad, I just want to let's say invest, or let's say I want to purchase, let's say a mall like this, but you don't need to invest, you don't need to be a billionaire millionaire for this. So let's say I'm just giving an example again. Let's say if it is a 100 crores project, it is a 1 trillion project, 1 billion project like this, and there you're going to invest this money. Let's say whatever the mall, whatever the big buildings even across the globe, I already named out some of the countries. So there also you can invest, you can hold this even percentage of that mall, or let's say that commercial building, or let's say that commercial market, and whatever the transaction, whatever the rent they are going to pay. Let's say if I'm going to take a place over there, if I'm going to take a shop over there, so whatever amount I'm going to pay to this owner, and that will be divided, that profit will be divided all the even stockholders, even who has invested for this particular mall itself. So that percentage again, let's say if I'm invested 1 lakh, if I'm invested let's say 1 crore, so based on that percentage, when I'll be also getting the same profit each and every month when I'm going to pay the rent to the entire even this owner, that profit is going to be again divided and shared by all the shareholders who has invested particularly for this entire even let's say this mall, or let's say this commercial building. So physically also you can do, virtually also you can do, all the schemes, all the benefits, all the possibilities, all the process, all the entire event step by step we have already discussed. And last two videos also we have discussed even some other scheme. If you have missed out, if you have not even watched, you can just go and watch, and then you can come back to this video so that you do not know what exactly your interest, what exactly you are looking for, where exactly you need to invest, even the small, even the big, whatever amount you can decide. Based on that one you can also earn the profit. And that could be even people who are already senior citizen, they might be thinking I do not have any pension, but all these schemes whatever you have discussed in the last two videos may be very workful for you. Even you can get a pension also even each and every month by just saving some amount of money and investing in such a way. And that is all about your beauty, to save your money, and how you can get even more money, make your money even 2x 3x 4x 5x, and make even good money also. And that is all we are discussing in this series. More videos, more discussion. But yes, as always I said, you can come back to me even with all your queries individually if you want to discuss. Yes, I'm always available with all my even 20 plus years experience. But yes, I'm not here to promote any kind of service, any kind of product. So if you have a genuine query, if you have a genuine let's say planning for you, I'm always there to help you. Thanks. Thanks for watching.